Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to animate the Ludwig model that can be found at the web address listed in the comments section. To begin with animating, I've already placed a plane at the bottom of the model of the scene so that I can make him walk along that model. What I'm going to do now is basically move his body into a more natural position so I can start animating a walk cycle. I'm going to start by grabbing the hand handle. There's handles for the fingers with right here, as you can see, for each finger, the head, the hands. There are handles at the bottom for each foot, and a handle that moves the entire model, body handle, and an upper body handle, lower and upper body handles for the model, the head and the face at the top. So yeah, I'm gonna start by grabbing the hand and moving it down, grabbing it and restricting it from moving along the y-axis so I can bring it straight down to the side, and rotate the hand along the y-axis, bring it down like that, and do the same thing with the other hand. Move it to the y-axis, shift, grab and then shift Y and rotate this along the y-axis. Bring the hand in, and let me just select the fingers and rotate these around the y-axis, curl them in a little bit. Oh, I have that hand handle still selected, so now rotate this around the y-axis, curl the fingers in. Same thing on the other side. I'm hitting C, by the way, for that little paintbrush tool to select all the objects. Once again, C, A, C, yeah. Rotate this around the y-axis to curl the finger a little bit. Now, in order to start animating the model to actually walk, I'm going to set this for a keyframe at 0 and find a walk cycle model. You can find these by googling walk cycle and clicking images for an image search, and there's several walk cycles you can use. I'm going to use this one. So we're going to start here with the first step that they have and get our model basically looking like this one in the picture. So grab this handle at the bottom, foot handle, grab, and we're going to restrict this to movement to the y-axis. Bring this foot a little bit forward, rotate this along the x, bring the heel up, this one, grab, y, bring that back, and basically just work this thing G and limit to Z. With the thing, rotate X like that, and just try to get the hands looking like they do in the picture. Grab, and then I'm gonna shift X so I can move this frontwards up and down without it going into the body. And grab, shift X, grab, shift X, and grab, and then bring this one forward, rotate that around the Z axis a little bit, turn that hand in so it's more like a natural position, and I'm gonna stop this now and fine tune it a little bit and get my walk exactly where I want. But and grab, shift, rotate that around the Z, around the X. Grab this, shift X again, this thing in pretty decent position here. Here we go, and once I get it like this, I will go here and I will hit I and insert a keyframe that would say the location, rotation, and the scale. So, oops, made a mistake. You have to select the entire model. Now, click the entire armature, and save rotation, location, rotation, and the scale. And that will set the keyframe there. After you do that, you move to keyframe number 10, and then you just repeat the process of modeling this. So I'm gonna pause the video here and just model these walk cycles that we have on the demonstration that you can find on Google, and I will move ahead to making it move along the thing. And also you want to put it in the same position so you can constrain it to a track and make the model walk across the plane. So I'm going to pause it now and complete the rest of the walk cycles and return. Okay, now that I have the basic walk cycle, what I'm going to do is go in, I'm going to make this a properties window, and I am going to go in and place a path. So I'm going to go to add, curve, and path. Bring that in, grab that, rotate it around that Z axis, and let's see, go into edit mode, scale it out a little bit, like that. And now the next step is to constrain the bone to the actual path. So we go back to pose mode by selecting the bone, and we add a constraint. So go to bone constraints and follow path. At this point we get this menu, and we want to target it to the nearest path that we just created. Follow path. Like that, and let's see, we click the next thing, click the path and hit the motion, go down to the path animation, and we want to change this to 70 frames and make the evaluation time 70. So we're going to put that one at the end of the path, and for that you have to enter, click, hover the arrow over the evaluation time, click I, and it will insert a okay, so make sure you click bring the keyframe back to 0, and you have keyframes evaluation time 70. Enter, hit I to set the keyframe, and that will set your keyframe for that point. Now you want to go to the 70 frame and bring the evaluation time to 0. The evaluation time just moves the model or the bone constraint along that path. So bring it to there, got it at 70, hover over, click I, and you've inserted that keyframe there. The next thing you do is just rewind it, and you can play him walking along the path, except I guess he's sliding this time, but you can play with the evaluation time and the frames, and get that thing to not slide, get your model to not slide. But that's basically how you do a character animation. You can also do other little things like go back to 1. You might want to go in and grab his mouth, and you can set a keyframe there by clicking I like you did before. Location, rotation, scale, I like to do, and then go here and grab, close the mouth, insert, location, rotation, and scale, and then when you play the animation, he'll start with his mouth open and he'll close his mouth as he walks. So that's basically how you animate the model and make it move. Thank you for watching.